here HTML layout. Okay, here the HTML layout means it is a arrangement arrangement of elements on a web page for structure and user friendly. Okay, user friendly design here. Okay, now I'm going to use here the some basic CSS and how the home page has to be designed and how the navigation part and all the things how it will be without using JavaScript. We don't have any action performed here. Just small static page I'm going to create in here using some basic CSS. Okay, so here already we have the one folder, and what we are doing instead of the folder I'm using another folder here. So here select this path and here type cmd, the command prompt shortcut key, and here's type code paste dot enter. This will be the particular folder has to be open in your Visual Studio Code. And here create another file here. This is a file and this is a folder. I'm creating here the file that will be the layout.html or .htm. So this is the bytecode. It's a shift exclamatory enter. The structure of the HTML has to be formed here, and we have the two types of HTML that will be the internal HTML and external HTML. Here I'm going to placing the title of the page here. We call it as page title here, and I'm taking here the HTML layout. The HTML layout I'm taking. Okay, here I'm adding the basic HTML in header tag. What is the header tag? It is the top of the page is found header. Here we have the six types of heading, and one the primary heading tag I'm using, that will be the H1, and here I'm using my website. Okay, so the header will be closed, and here the navigation part. I think will be the semantic tag. So what is the semantic tags? It is found the semantic tags will be the header, navigation, and footer and main parts will be the, we call it as the semantic tags as well. And here I'm using the anchor tag, href. This will be the h reference. So I'm just using not giving a link, just I'm giving the hashtag here. So here I'm closing tag. This will be the home. Okay. So here also I'm creating another navigation part. href, href. This is the plain HTML what I'm using. So about another another part I'm creating here. href, href. So here hash. So here service a href, href. And here I'm creating contact. Contact. Okay. So here with class I'm creating here the container. So as I side and the side part will be happen here. Okay, so H2 here side bar. So paragraph tag I'm using here link or content here. Okay, so I'm using here the main tag now. Here main tag, main tag. In the main tag I'm using another content. Here that will be the name, content, page tag. This is the main area of the web page. Okay. And next here I'm using the footer one. It is a down side. Here the footer. I'm using instead of p tag custom message of copy. One I'm using here that will be here the I web. Okay. All right. Reserve. So what happened here? This is the system without applying any CSS, it will be printed like this. So I'm going to use now the basic CSS here. Okay, so here I'm using the basic CSS directly. I'm using here only. So it is using that will be the style tag. Here the style tag. Um, uh, Here the style tag. Style. Here the star. Star means here applying for whole page. Okay, this will call it as the universal selector as well. Here I am using margin 0. So here see it is applied the whole page, right? It is some the distance is not there. I'm applying here the margin 0. So I'm using here the padding. Here it will what happens here means it will happen the four section forms applying the four as well directly. It is not taking any left and right and top and bottom. It will apply the four sides as well. Okay. So after that I'm using here the box size. Well, I have taken the four fields here, right? What is the four fields? That is the home, about, service, and contents, right? That will be the four sides here. The box sizing. Okay. The box sizing I'm using the border, box diagram. Okay. Next, font family. The font will be slightly changes. That will be the font family. I'm taking the default one. That will be the area. So it will contain the data. And next, I'm using body here. Here I used some universal selector, right? After that, I'm using the element CSS and I of the body. Means internal HTML has to be changed and applying that. Here directly I'm taking the body. Why I'm taking the body means this will be the element. So directly tag I'm applying. So not going to use any dot hashtag and all the things. Directly you can use the tag name. Okay. So display. So I'm using here display flex. It will apply like this. Okay, so this will apply change. After that, I'm using here flex direction. Okay, flex direction will be column based on taking. Okay, column wise it will be half. And after that height, here 100 VH, 100 VH height, 100 time. Okay, 100 VH here. After that header, I'm using header tag, header. So here header I'm applying background I'm applying, not background color here. Observe, I'm directly taking black and color, the text color will be changed here. So that will be white and after that text line will be the center. Okay, text line will be the center here. And after that I'm using padding and REN here. The header part will be changed into a center. So after that, the same one I'm applying for fields. So what here I applied here, that is a navigation. So here directly you can see nav. Okay, directly the tag name you can apply here. So here I'm taking the black color, okay, black for the background. That will be the black. Okay, next color. So color will be the white. Next padding, padding that will be the 0 point. Here I'm taking R and means it will apply for units. Okay, here is the line. Still line I'm taking as a center. So this is the center part. So that's why I'm taking here the center. So see here will be changed here into a center. So here it will not change. So for this I need to apply the red, hover and white and I want to apply here. So here I need to apply the I need to take here nav a means here what we have inside of the anchor tag. So I'm applying at a time. So I'm taking at a time here navigation and anchor tag. So I'm taking at a time here the two tags. I'm applying same color and the white. Okay, white to decoration I'm taking. So I'm not applying anything extra decoration. Done. Okay, margin 0 and 15 pixels. So here it will change it into a white color. Interesting good, right? So we will change color here, the background color into gray. See here, this. Okay. After that, I'm applying only of the container we have what is this in a class, so you need to apply this one into a class so using dot. Okay, so here display flex I'm taking. Okay, Here I'm clicking flex one. Okay. So see. So after that, what we have a side part I'm taking here. Directly you can apply a side width 20%. And next background, I'm applying here background, not a color I'm applying. Directly I'm taking named color here. That will be the white. And the padding, the four sides will be applied. I'm not taking any properties here. In it. After that, what do we have? The main. Here, X1 padding, 1 REM background, white I'm taking. Okay. Yes. And back. Then it will apply black here. Here see. It's changed. It is in a side part, right? So I will apply here side part. Okay. So it will be how it would like it will like some basic website part, right? Like a home page part. So how the layout has to be applied like this. And next, what we left over with? We left over with the footer. So directly you can apply the footer here. Okay. So I'm going to applying here the background color. Background I'm taking. So background I will take gray. Next color white. Next text align center. Next adding 1 REM. Okay. So it will be like this. Oh wait, I will add in black. Okay. Uh, Here it's better. So like this. So it is look like how it is look like. It is look like some basic home page, right? So while you are clicking on here changing, I'm not give any URL here. For I'm giving just given the hashtag here. So here see it is changing as per when you are going to clicking on this, right?